So here is a look, Holland America Line Oceanview cabin. So we're walking in here. Large king size bed with a window. They give you bathrobes. And then you have a sitting area. Say hi to my partner Darren. Fruit bowl replaced daily. Over on this side you have your dresser area. Interestingly, no fridge, but they do replace the ice bucket and the minibar daily. This is the only place you can charge your devices, and we cannot fit two in at the same time. Would be better if they were just USBs, but that's obviously a mod con. They have DVDs here because the signal's not strong enough for things like Netflix and the like. Lots and lots of storage. Full hanging down this end. That's a double cupboard. And then another double cupboard over here. And the safe is in this one. They do supply a hairdryer. But yeah, just interesting that they don't have the fridge. But all in all, quite a spacious room. And here is our bathroom. Showers over the bath. Elamisk shampoo, conditioner and bath gel. It's relatively modern.